Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbster Games. In today's video, I will show you how to work with Scriptable object in Unity to improve your game development workflow. Before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to smash that like button, share this tutorial, and hit subscribe for more awesome videos. Now, let's jump right into it. We will start by creating a simple script named monster. Open it up. Change the monster class to extend from Scriptable object, and put create asset menu in a bracket right before the class. You can set the file name and menu name to whatever you want. The file name is the default name of all the newly created Scriptable objects, and the menu name is the path to get to when right-clicking on the Unity editor to create the Scriptable object. Then, create 3 public fields. A string for name, a class reference to CharacterStats, and an enum for monster class. We will populate a few samples into the enum. Next, create the CharacterStats class, which is referenced by the monster object. Make it serializable, and get rid of the monobehavior extension, which I forget at this point and will do later in the video. In this example, we will only have one variable for simplicity, but you can have however many variables here. Once finished, there are no more errors in the monster script. We will then create a monster manager class to have it attached to any monster game object to manage the monster data. In the monster manager script, we will keep the start method and have a few variables. A variable to store the monster we need to reference, an integer variable for level, and a CharacterStats variable for current stats. In our example, we are just going to hardcode the level for any monster using this manager. In an actual game, I assume we will be assigning a level to this before doing any calculation. Let's hardcode it to level 3 for now. Then, create a method called calculateCurrentStats, and assign a finalized amount of attack stats based on the level of the monster to current stats. Back to Unity, create a new game object on the scene named monster, and add the monster manager script onto the object. Create some simple monster objects and assign variables to them. I am putting 111 attacks for Goblin and 222 attacks for Ghost. Assign these monsters individually to the monster reference and see the result when running in the editor. Because the level is 3, the attack for Goblin would be calculated to 333, and the attack for Ghost would be calculated to 666. Now you've just created and used a Scriptable object. This is a powerful tool for organizing and managing game data in Unity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Unity tutorials. Let me know if there is any topic you would like me to cover, and I will try to incorporate that into our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!